Scientific studies have shown that L-Glutamine, which is an amino acid, is beneficial to heal the gut lining. And the gut lining can be damaged by glyphosates, by chemotherapy treatment, so it's often used as part of cancer treatment to help heal the gut lining, and also SIBO. SIBO can damage the gut lining because the gases produced, the hydrogen sulfide, or methane produced from the bacterial overgrowth will over time damage the microvilli and lead to food allergies, increased sensitivity, and leaky gut, and not to mention histamine reactions and all that kind of thing. So often L-glutamine is used at some point in a good SIBO protocol, as well as a good naturopathic oncology protocol, as well as treating food allergies. And the studies show that it's effective at regenerating the gut lining. So keep that in mind.